fridge is totally empty. What are we going to eat? Today is Atlas's promotion anniversary. We need to celebrate with a big dinner. But the fridge is empty. We need a feast, and we only—
Scout! Arrow! Come here quickly! We have an emergency!
What's wrong, Mom? Is it a game?
No game, buddy. We need to celebrate Dad's promotion. We are going to the supermarket now.
I can help. Let's make a shopping list. Tell me what we need.
First, yes, a shopping list is very important. We write down all the food and ingredients we need to buy. This helps us remember everything for—
Yay! I want to buy snacks. Lots of snacks and chocolate. No snacks first, Arrow. We need ingredients for dinner, like steak and vegetables.
Good job, Scout. Please write down steak, tomatoes, and butter.
And a cake. A big cake for Dad. Please?
A big cake is perfect. Scout, put it on the list.
Done! The shopping list is ready, Mom.
Perfect! Let's go to the supermarket right now.
Time to go!
Hello there. Hello there. Where are we going today?
To the supermarket. We are going to buy a big feast.
A feast? Wow, that sounds wonderful. Is it a special day?
Yes, we are celebrating. Please take us to the big supermarket on Main Street.
Got it. The big supermarket. It takes about 10 minutes.
Arrow, let's practice our shopping list before we arrive. I know it. Steak, tomatoes, butter. And a giant cake. Yes, those are the things we need. But remember, the food we use to cook a meal are called ingredients. Can you say ingredients? Ingredients. Ingredients. We need ingredients.
Great job, buddy. You are a fast learner.
Here we are, folks. The big supermarket.
Look! The big glass doors. That is the entrance. Let's go in.
Yes, that is the entrance. But wait, we need something to carry our food first.
I know. We need a big basket on wheels. We need a shopping cart. It is a big basket on wheels. We push the shopping cart together and put all our ingredients inside. I am very strong. I will push the shopping cart today. I am the driver. Here we go. Uh-oh. Why is it not moving? It is too heavy. You need teamwork, little muscle man. You push, and I will help. 1, 2, 3, push.
Great teamwork. You two push the cart, and I will guide. Let's enter the supermarket.
Wow! It is so huge inside. Where do we start our mission?
Let me check the list. First, we need tomatoes and lettuce. We must find the fresh produce section.
Fresh produce? What does that mean, Mom? Is it a kind of juice?
No, sweetie. Fresh produce means fruits and vegetables that just came from the farm. They are very fresh and healthy.
But there are so many aisles here. I don't see any tomatoes. Are we lost?
Don't worry. When we are lost in a supermarket, we just need to look up.
That green sign says fresh produce. Tomatoes must be that way. Follow the sign. Let's go.
Exactly. The signs tell us where to go. Follow the sign, my little explorers.
It really smells like a farm. I found the tomatoes.
Perfect. Let's pick 6 red tomatoes for Dad's salad. Can you help me count?
1, 2, 3. But wait, how does the supermarket know how much we should pay for these tomatoes?
Good question. That is our next challenge. We need to weigh them.
What is this machine, Mom? It has a screen and many buttons.
Hello there. Do you need some help with your tomatoes?
Yes, please. How does the supermarket know the price?
This machine is called a scale. We use it to weigh the tomatoes. It tells us how heavy they are. Then it gives us a price. Do you want to try it?
Yes. I put them here. Now what do I do?
Great! Now, find the button with the tomato picture. Press that button, please.
Tomato. Got it. Press. Wow! A little sticker came out. Like magic! That is a label, Arrow. It has the price on it. Now stick it on the bag. Done! I weighed the tomatoes.
Good job, buddy. Thank you so much for your help, Sarah. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day, little explorers.
Wait, do you guys smell that? It smells so good.
I smell it too. It smells like sweet sugar and bread.
Welcome to the bakery. Who wants something sweet today?
Hello. We are celebrating my husband's promotion. We need a special cake for him.
Whoa! So many cakes! How do we choose? Look at that giant chocolate cake. It has 3 layers. We should get that one. Arrow, that cake is for 20 people. We are only 4. You will explode if you eat that. Mr. Bob, what do you recommend for a family of 4?
I recommend this beautiful strawberry cake. It is medium-sized, very fresh, and not too sweet. Perfect for 4.
That looks perfect. Can you write Super Dad on top of it, please?
No problem at all. Coming right up, young lady.
Focus, buddy. We need to stick to the list. What is next on our mission?
Checking the list. Next, we need butter for the steak.
Here is your super dad cake. Enjoy the celebration.
Thank you, Mr. Bob. Goodbye.
Bye! Okay, we have the cake. Next, we need butter for cooking the steak.
I know where it is. Follow the driver. This way.
Look! Giant cookies! Can we buy these, Mom?
Arrow.
Read the box. That is not for us. Oops. Dog food? No, thank you.
It is okay, buddy. It is a funny mistake. Look, the butter is in the dairy section. It is very cold there.
I found it. Cold butter from the dairy section.
Got it. Put it in the cart.
Oh. Wow. What is this beautiful place? Just one little bag of chips. Mom won't see it. Aha! What is that in your hand, Arrow? That is not on the list.
Arrow, we usually put back things that are not on the list, but you and Scout are great helpers today, so you can choose one bag of snacks.
Yay! A reward! Thank you, Mom! I will not put it back. Okay, Snack Monster. We only need one last thing. The main course.
Good morning, family. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. We are making a special dinner. We need the best steak you have, please.
Excuse me, sir. Are you a chef? You have a cool apron.
I am a butcher, little lady. A butcher is someone who prepares and sells fresh meat. I cut the meat carefully so your...
Look at this beautiful ribeye steak. It is very fresh, perfect for a celebration.
It looks yummy. But what is the price, Mr. Butcher?
Great question, young man. The price is $20. It is a very good deal.
Here is your fresh steak. Have a wonderful celebration dinner.
Steak is checked. Mom, we have all the ingredients on the shopping list.
Mission accomplished. Now, let's head to the checkout to pay.
Look at the black belt, Mom. It is moving our food to the lady.
Hello, family. Did you find everything you need today?
Yes, thank you. We have all the ingredients on our shopping list.
Excellent. Let me scan these items for you.
Beep. She is scanning the butter. Beep. Mom, what is that big number on the screen? It says $40.
That big number is our total. The total is all the money we need to pay for our food today. After we pay, Lily will give us a receipt. Here is your receipt and your bags. Thank you for shopping with us.
I will hold the receipt. I am the receipt manager. Let's check the receipt, manager. Tomatoes and butter, check. Steak, check. And the Super Dad cake. Check.
You two are the best shopping helpers. Our taxi is here. Let's go home.
Okay, team. Dad will be home in 20 minutes. We must move fast to prepare.
I will set the table. Setting the table means putting plates and forks in the right place. And the Super Dad cake goes right in the middle. Perfect!
Wait, I hear a car outside. It is Dad. He is early.
Oh no! Hide! Everyone hide behind the sofa quickly!
No need to hide behind the sofa, silly. We just turn off the lights. When Dad opens the door, we say, surprise!
Hello? Is anyone home? Why is it so dark in here?
Surprise! Happy promotion anniversary!
Wow. What is all this? You guys remembered?
Look, Dad! We bought a huge feast! And a Super Dad cake!
Thank you so much. I am the luckiest dad in the world.
We made a shopping list, checked the fresh produce, and saved the receipt.